Create amazing cutting boards using leftover scrap wood. Learn how to create stunning cutting boards from scrap wood and give new life to old materials. In this DIY tutorial, we'll show you the step-by-step process of turning discarded wood into functional and beautiful cutting boards. From selecting the right type of wood to sanding and finishing, we'll cover it all. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your upcycled creations. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner, this project is perfect for anyone looking to get creative and reduce waste. So, grab your tools and let's get started. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY woodworking, as I show you how to create stunning cutting boards using scrap wood pieces. Many people struggle with finding creative uses for leftover wood, leading to waste. Let's tackle this challenge by crafting something both functional and beautiful. There are many creative ways to repurpose scrap wood, and making a cutting board is a great project for beginners and experienced woodworkers alike. By using different types of wood, you can create a unique and personalized design that adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Plus, it's a great way to reduce waste and give new life to wood that would otherwise end up in a landfill. The process of creating a cutting board from scrap wood is quite rewarding, and I'm excited to share my experience with you. From selecting the right types of wood to the final assembly and finishing touches, every step is crucial in bringing this project to life. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills and confidence to create your own stunning cutting boards using scrap wood. When it comes to selecting the right types of scrap wood, there are a few things to keep in mind. The wood should be dry, straight, and free of any major defects. You can use a variety of wood species, but it's essential to choose woods that are suitable for a cutting board. For example, woods like maple, cherry, and walnut are great options because they're durable and resistant to scratches and cracks. In the end, the type of wood you choose will depend on your personal preference and the design you're going for. I will walk you through the entire process, selecting the right types of scrap wood, the tools you'll need, and the step-by-step assembly and finishing techniques. Having the right tools is essential for any woodworking project, and this one is no exception. You'll need a table saw or circular saw for cutting the wood, a planer for thicknessing the boards. You'll also need some clamps, glue, and a few other supplies to complete the project. Don't worry if you don't have all the tools and supplies. You can always borrow from a friend or purchase them as you go along. The key is to have fun and be patient with the process. When it comes to assembling the cutting board, it's essential to take your time and work carefully. You'll need to glue the boards together, clamp them, and let them dry before sanding and finishing. This part of the process can be a bit tedious, but the end result is well worth the effort. The highlight of the video will be the moment when the cutting board comes together, showcasing the transformation from scrap pieces to a polished, usable product. There's something truly satisfying about creating something from scratch, and I think you'll be amazed at how beautiful the finished product turns out. As you'll see, the combination of different wood species creates a stunning pattern that adds a touch of elegance to the cutting board. The finishing touches, including the oil and wax, bring out the beauty of the wood and make it resistant to scratches and cracks. By the end of this project, you'll have a beautiful cutting board that's functional, durable, and truly one of a kind. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner, this project is a great way to challenge yourself and try something new. The process of creating a cutting board from scrap wood is a great way to experiment with different techniques, try new things, and push yourself to be more creative. Here in our shop we work with many different types of woods, such as mesquite, oak, white oak, pecan, hickory, mahogany, cedar, pine, cherry, sweet gum, and many others, so we normally have a good selection to choose from. In summary, we've successfully turned scrap wood into an amazing cutting board, emphasizing the importance of recycling materials and creativity in woodworking. If you enjoyed this project, please leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to check out my other DIY videos for more creative ideas. Once you are finished with your creation, you can give them away as gifts or sell them at your local markets or craft shows. Enjoy!